friends. How are you all? Today I bring you a phonic sound. Yeah, and Z sound. Yes. Now we know the sounds and their friends. Read and understand independently. Are you ready to learn these sounds? Okay, let's begin. Learn phonic sound. Yeah and Z sound. So let's have a look. Look at there. It's a hairy animal. Yes, it says yak. So do you know what is the beginning sound of yak? Yeah, yak. Yeah, yak. Yeah, yak. Absolutely amazing. Splendid. Look at there. Which color is this? This is yellow color. Yes. There are so many things which is yellow in color, like sun, sunflower, and a yolk. Yes, these all are yellow in color. Do you know what is the beginning sound of yellow? Yeah, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Yeah, yellow. Amazing. Good. Look at there. What is this? This is yarn. Yarn. Yes. Yarn. So do you know what we make from yarn? We make sweaters. We make warm clothes like muffler, winter hat, and socks. Yes. We get yarn from sheep, wool, and then yarn. Yes. So what is the beginning sound of yarn? Yeah, yarn. Yeah, yarn. Splendid. Yummy, delicious. What is this? This is yogurt. Yogurt. It's made up of milk. Yes. Milk. Yes. So this is good for us. Full of protein. Yes. So this is yogurt. Do you know what is the beginning sound of yogurt? Yeah, yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Absolutely amazing. Did it? Look at the toy. This is yo-yo. This is yo-yo. Yeah, it's for yo-yo. Yes. So do you know what is the beginning sound of yo-yo? Yeah, yo-yo. Yes. Yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yo-yo. Absolutely good. Look at there. This is egg. Okay, the yellow portion of egg is called yolk. Yolk. Do you know what is the beginning sound of yolk? Yeah, yolk. It's full of calories. Makes our brain healthy. And we memorize all these things with this protein. Yolk, yes, is good for our health as well. So what is the beginning sound of yolk? Yeah, yolk. Yeah, yolk. Yeah, yolk. Amazing. Good. Yeah. What is this? This is yacht. Yes. We travel from sea route, one place to another place. Yes. It's a water transport. Yacht. Yes. So do you know what is the beginning sound of yacht? Yacht. 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 Girl, splendid. Look at there. What are they doing? They're doing yoga. Yes, it's good for our health. Yes, it's an exercise for our body to make our body healthy and wise. So, do you know what is the beginning sound of yoga? Yes, yoga. 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 Inhale, exhale. Yoga. That's good. Amazing. Look at there. Just yum. Yum. Yes. It's very tasty. It's a fruit. Yes. We like it. It's very delicious. Sweet. Sweet in taste. Yum. 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 So what is the beginning sound of yum? Yum. 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 That's good. Super. Do you know which comes after yeah sound? Yes. Z sound. Yes. Okay, let's think about it. And look around your room or anywhere you are sitting and just you find out the thing which starts with Z sound. Yes. Okay, let's have a look. Zoo. 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 Do you know what is the beginning sound of zoo? Yes. Zoo. Zoo. All the wild and pet animals, they are living in zoo. So, do you know what is the beginning sound of zoo? Z. That's good. Zoo. Splendid. Yes, it's a zipper. Zipper. Do you know what is the beginning sound of zipper? Zipper. Zipper. So that's correct. Amazing. Look at the curves. What is called? Yes, it's a zigzag. Do you know what is the beginning sound of zigzag? Zigzag. Zigzag. Amazing, splendid. Look at there. Which number is that? Yes, round and round. 0. Nothing. So you know what is the beginning sound of 0? Zero. Zero. So the beginning sound is Z. Splendid. You did it. Look at there. What is this? It's a very weird thing. Do you know what is this? Yes. This is zombie. I scared. Yes. It's very scary thing. Zombie. So you know what is the beginning sound of zombie? Yes, zombie. Zombie. Did it. Great. Yeah, it's zap. Do you know what is the beginning sound of zap? Zap. Absolutely right. Amazing. Okay. Are you ready to sing a phonic rhyme? Okay. Let's sing with me. Yeah is for yellow. Yeah, yeah, yellow. Yeah, yeah, yellow. Yeah, yeah, yellow. Yeah is for yarn. Yeah, yeah, yarn. Yeah, yeah, yarn. Yeah, yeah, yarn. Yeah is for yak. Yeah, yeah, yak. Yeah, yeah, yak. Yeah, yeah, yak. It's a hairy animal. Yeah is for yogurt. Yummy, yummy yogurt. Yummy, yummy yogurt. Yum, yum yogurt. Yeah is for yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. Yeah is for yuck. Yeah, yeah, yuck. Yeah, yeah, yuck. Yeah, yeah, yuck. It's tasty, delicious, and full of protein. Yeah is for yawn. Yeah, yeah, yawn. Yeah, yeah, yawn. Yeah, yeah, yawn. Yeah is for yatch. Yeah, yeah, yatch. Yeah, yeah, yatch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A bird. Yeah is for yoga. Yeah, yeah, yoga. Yeah, yeah, yoga. Yeah, yeah, yoga. Inhale, exhale, exercise. Yeah is for young. Yeah, yeah, young. Yeah, yeah, youth. Yeah, yeah, young. Yeah is for yum yum. Yeah, yeah, yum yum. Yeah, yeah, yum. Yeah, yeah, yum yum. Z is for zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. Z, z, zebra. Black and white steps in its body. Z is for zipper. Z, z, zipper. Z, z, zipper. Z, z, zipper. Z is for zoo. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo. So many animals living there. Z is for zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zigzag. Z is for zigzag curve. Z is for zero. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zero. Z, z, zero. Ooh, Z is for zombie. Z, z, zombie. Z, z, zombie. Z is for zombie, scary. Z is for zap. Z, z, zap. Z, z, zap. Z, z, zap. Z is for zest. Z, z, zest. Z, z, zest. Z, z, zest. You did it. It's absolutely amazing. Superb. Superb. You did it. You did a great job. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we learned Atel Z sound, and now we know and we are able to read and understand independently. So, in my next video, I will bring you some more exciting and knowledgeable activities for you. Stay tuned. Bye bye.